Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about speaking block and fluency. Have you ever understood English perfectly, but could not speak? You know the words. You know the grammar. But when it is time to speak, you freeze. Your mind goes blank. Your heart beats faster. And suddenly you feel small. You feel stuck. You feel like something is wrong with you. But here is the truth. Nothing is wrong with you. You are not alone. Many English learners feel this every day. They understand everything, but they cannot express anything. This is called a speaking block. And it is not about intelligence. It is not about talent. It is about fear and confusion inside your mind. But here is the good news. You can fix this. Yes, you can fix this starting today. You can train your mind to speak. You can build confidence step by step. And you can finally speak English fluently. In this video, you will learn simple and powerful rules. These rules will help you break your speaking block. They will help you think clearly. They will help you speak naturally. And most importantly, they will help you believe in yourself again. Many people think speaking English is about knowing more words. But that is not true. You may already know enough words. The real problem is inside your mind. It is the fear of making mistakes. It is the habit of translating in your head. It is the pressure to be perfect. These things create a wall. A silent wall that stops your voice. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you are talking to a friend. You understand everything they say. But when it is your turn to speak, you start thinking too much. You try to translate every word. You check your grammar again and again. And then you say nothing. This is the speaking block. It is not about your English level. It is about your thinking process. In this video, you will learn how to change that process. You will learn how to stop translating. You will learn how to think in English. You will learn how to speak with confidence. And you will learn how to turn small practice into real fluency. This is not magic. This is a simple system. And you can start today. Now let us begin with the first step. Rule 1. Stop translating in your mind. This is the biggest reason you cannot speak. Most learners try to translate from their first language to English. This creates delay. This creates pressure. And this creates fear. Imagine you are trying to run, but you are carrying a heavy bag. You cannot move freely. Translation is that heavy bag. When you translate, your brain works too hard. You think about words. You think about grammar. You think about correctness. And suddenly, you forget to speak. Here is the key idea. Speaking is not translating. Speaking is expressing. You do not need perfect sentences. You need simple ideas. For example, instead of thinking, "How do I say this perfectly?" you can think, "How can I say this simply?" If you want to say something complex, simplify it. Break it into small parts. Use words you already know. This is how fluency begins. Let us take a simple example. You want to say, I was extremely exhausted after working the whole day. But your mind stops. You feel pressure. So instead say, I am very tired. I worked all day. This is clear. This is natural. This is fluent. Do not chase perfection. Chase expression. Each time you stop translating, you become faster. Each time you speak simply, you become stronger. This is how you remove the speaking block. Now let us move to the next rule. Rule 2. Train your brain to think in English. This may sound difficult, but it is easier than you think. You do not need big vocabulary. You just need daily practice. Start with small thoughts. Very small thoughts. For example, when you wake up, say in your mind, I am waking up now. When you eat, say, I am eating food. When you walk, say, I am walking to my room. This is called talking in your brain. It is a powerful habit. At first, it may feel strange. You may forget. You may feel slow. But that is okay. Your brain is learning a new system. Do not rush. Be patient with yourself. Here is something important. Do not worry about mistakes in your mind. Your brain practice does not need to be perfect. It only needs to be active. Think of it like training a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. When you think in English daily, something changes. You stop depending on translation. You start forming sentences naturally. You start responding faster. And one day, you will notice something surprising. Words will come to you automatically, without stress, without fear. This is the moment when fluency begins. So remember this key phrase. Think simple, think daily, think in English. This is your path forward. Rule 3. Speak out loud every day. This is where most learners fail. They practice in their mind. They read silently. They listen a lot. But they do not speak. Speaking is a skill. And like any skill, it grows only with action. Even if you feel afraid, speak. Even if you make mistakes, speak. Even if your sentences are simple, speak. Here is a small trick. Start with one sentence per day. Yes, just one. Say it clearly. Say it slowly. Say it with confidence. For example, you can say, I am learning English today. Repeat it 3 times. Then say another sentence tomorrow. Gradually, your speaking grows. Your brain learns how to form sentences quickly. Your speaking block slowly disappears. Do not worry about perfection. Worry only about expression. This is how fluency builds. Now let us see a real-life example. Imagine a learner named Sarah. She knew many words. She could read English books. She could understand movies. But she could not speak. Her mind froze every time. Sarah started speaking one sentence per day. She spoke to herself. She spoke to a mirror. She spoke with friends online. After 1 month, she could speak small conversations. After 3 months, she could talk freely. All because she practiced speaking every day. Remember this key phrase. Speak small, speak daily, speak with courage. This is your path to fluency. Rule 4, stop fearing mistakes. Fear is the main reason your voice stops. You are afraid of saying wrong words. You are afraid of grammar mistakes. You are afraid of judgment. This fear builds walls in your mind. It creates silence. It creates hesitation. But here is the truth. Mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are signals. They tell you that you are learning. They tell your brain that it is growing. Every fluent speaker made mistakes. Every speaker you admire made mistakes. The difference is they did not stop. They spoke despite mistakes. Here is a simple method. Each time you make a mistake, say in your mind, I am learning, this is progress. Do not get upset. Do not feel shame. Smile, correct yourself, and continue. For example, if you say, I go to market yesterday. Instead of freezing, say, No, I say, I went to market yesterday. A simple correction. No fear. Every time you do this, your confidence grows. Your speaking block shrinks, and your mind starts to trust itself. Remember this key phrase. Mistakes are my teachers, I speak anyway. Rule 5, listen actively and repeat aloud. Listening is not just understanding words. It is training your brain to speak naturally. When you listen, your brain absorbs rhythm, tone, and sentence structure. But do not stop at listening. Repeat aloud what you hear. This is called shadowing. For example, watch a short English video. Pause after a sentence. Say the same sentence aloud. Match the tone. Match the speed. Do it slowly at first. Then gradually try to sound natural. This trains your mouth and your brain together. It builds speaking fluency faster than reading alone. Here is a practical tip. Use simple videos or podcasts. Repeat every day. Even 10 minutes a day makes a big difference. Imagine your brain is a sponge. It absorbs what you hear and repeats it. This is how accents, flow, and fluency develop. Your confidence grows naturally. Your speaking block becomes smaller. Remember this key phrase. Listen, repeat, speak. Daily practice builds fluency. Rule 6, think in English during daily life. This is the most powerful step. Many learners only speak in practice sessions. But fluency happens when thinking becomes English naturally. Start small. Think about daily actions in English. For example, when cooking, say in your mind, I am cutting vegetables. When walking, say, I am walking to the shop. When planning your day, think in English. I will study English for 30 minutes today. Do this consistently. It may feel slow at first. It may feel strange. That is normal. Your brain is rewiring itself. Day by day, your thoughts become English. Day by day, your sentences come automatically. You stop translating. You stop overthinking. You start speaking fluently. Here is a final insight. Fluency is not about perfection. Fluency is about habit. Fluency is about trust in your own mind. Every thought in English strengthens your speaking. Every day you practice, you build confidence. Remember this key phrase. Think English, speak English, live English. Hello, everyone. We have reached the final part of this journey. Let us review what we have learned today. First, stop translating in your mind. Translation slows your speech and creates fear. Second, train your brain to think in English. Small daily thoughts lead to big results. Third, speak out loud every day. Even one sentence daily makes a huge difference. Fourth, stop fearing mistakes. Mistakes are your teachers, not your enemies. Fifth, listen actively and repeat aloud. Shadowing trains your mouth, brain, and confidence together. Sixth, think in English during daily life. Make English a habit in every thought. Remember this truth. Fluency is not about knowing everything. It is about action. It is about courage. It is about small steps taken every day. Your speaking block will not disappear overnight, but it will shrink slowly. And one day you will speak freely, without fear, without hesitation, without doubt, all because you practiced consistently, all because you trusted yourself. Every step you take builds your fluency. Every sentence you speak strengthens your mind. Believe in your journey. Believe in your effort. And most importantly, believe in yourself. If this video helped you, let us spread the message. Like this video. Subscribe for more lessons. Share it with someone who struggles to speak English. Practice these rules daily. Think in English every day. Speak even if you feel fear. Remember, fluency comes from action, not perfection. Change is always possible. Your voice deserves to be heard. Start today. You can do this.